Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you something really exciting, a way to get $100 absolutely free and 1 month of Perplexity AI access just by using a browser called Comet Browser. Yes, you heard that right. A browser that not only gives you a fast and smooth browsing experience, but also rewards you with free AI access and cash rewards. So if you've ever wanted to explore AI tools for free and make some extra money online, this is the perfect opportunity. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Open link available in description and click on Claim Invitation. Then sign up as per your choice. Then click on Download Comet. Then click on Start Install. After that, downloading in progress, wait for some time. Then click on Launch Comet.
Then set up browser as per your choice.
Then sign in with same email you signed up earlier. Here you are in Perplexity AI. Just run any one prompt. Open same joining link that given in description and click on Claim Invitation. Here you can see you got free Perplexity AI for 1 month. Explore some tabs and goes back to homepage.
Here you can see Invite and Earn option and click on it. Here you got your referral link which you can share to friend. If you invite 10 users, you got $100 as bonus and earn more on per user invitation.
For payment, click on View Payouts on tab.
Here create account with same account. Here create account with same account. Here we creating Stripe account which is used by big company for payments. Here you can see Perplexity referral program.
Here you can see Bounty program, where you have to invite 10 users to get $100 bonus. This program run from 21st October to 26th October. After that, you can earn $3 of per referral only.
If you face issue regarding Connect Banking, then please open this link in mobile and log in with same account and upload document using Take Photo. I will provide link in description.
Hope you like the video. Please like, comment and share the video.